Hey guys, so I just want to start off this video by saying that I know that my posting has been like really sporadic and I should probably be sticking to a schedule, but I'm really not that worried about it just because like YouTube was meant to be, I started a YouTube channel so that I could just have fun with it, and when school gets busy or like, you know, life happens sometimes and you just don't want to film and edit videos, like sometimes you're just not in the mood for it, and so I'm not going to stress about it because this is supposed to be something that I have fun with. And yeah, so I'm not going to like, I don't want this to be like some basic YouTube channel like where you post like everyday makeup routines and like outfit of the weeks, and like I like doing all that stuff, and I'm literally filming an everyday makeup routine right now, so I just like, I don't know if this is making sense. What I'm trying to say is just that like I don't want this channel to be like branded as something, like I just want to be able to make it whatever I want, and if I think that something would be cool in a video, then I'll film it. And like, I don't know, I mean, I don't want to have to wear makeup for every one of my videos because I don't wear makeup every day in real life, so why put on a show for everyone like and make them think that I really care that much about how I look, because clearly I don't. Probably going to be wearing t-shirts for most of my videos. Like, I like dressing. I'm not going to get into all this. Basically, I just don't want this to be like a fake YouTube channel. I want you guys to see how I actually am in person, and like I just want it to be like as real as possible, if that makes sense. So anyway, sorry for the long intro, but we'll go ahead and get started. I don't really wear that much for my makeup. I do always moisturize, especially since it's winter. I really switch off moisturizers a lot, so you can just use whichever one you want. Okay, so if I have a lot of redness, then I'll use my Smashbox Photo Finish Color Correcting Adjust Primer, which is, it's really good. I love this stuff. I haven't really been having that much discoloration, so I'm probably not going to use that today. Hey, this is a good mirror. Alright. Yeah, I didn't know how I was going to film this video because I don't have like a viewfinder on my camera. I really need to get like a good camera. I don't have a viewfinder on my camera, and so I literally, let me show you. I set up my mirror right there so that I could see what I'm looking at, and it's really confusing. Like, this is difficult. So if you guys ever wonder why my video camera quality tends to be trash, that's probably why. I'm working on it though. Just gotta save up for a camera. Yeah, so next I'm just gonna cover up my pimples and my dark circles. God, I don't feel like wearing makeup today. That's okay. Alright, so I just put it in any areas where I have redness or little LZs. I don't put on that much because I just don't want to look cakey or anything. I always try to have my makeup look really natural. I really hope this video isn't going to be completely washed out. Is that better? I can't really tell. Alright, I'm gonna be kind of pissed off with this video if the whole thing is terrible quality. I guess we'll see. I'm sorry, I keep on putting the mirror in front of the camera. I don't know what I'm doing. Now I'm just gonna put a little bit under my eyes. No concealer has ever covered up my dark circles. This is just the closest one that I can find that will do a little bit of something, so. Oh, my back hurts. Okay. Next, I just powder or set whatever I just did. So I'm just gonna, alright, I'm I'm just gonna take any of the top 3 shades, just like the powder shades. I just switch off. I don't know what I'm doing. I don't know how to do makeup, so if you couldn't tell already, there you go. You probably shouldn't do what I'm doing, but I asked my friends what video to make, and they all said this one, so I guess that's what I'm doing. Also, I really love watching these videos. Oh, okay, we're gonna stop and take a second to talk about Born's new album. You know what? I'm not gonna stop because I can multitask. First of all, I'm just gonna take this middle shade right here to contour, or like bronze, not really contour. Okay, what I was saying. Born's new album, Blue Madonna. Everyone always knows Born's for the song Electric Love, and like, don't get me wrong, it's an amazing song and I love it. But all of Born's music is amazing. Like, you really need to go listen to all of it. Especially Blue Madonna. Listen to Second Night of Summer and then you'll see what I'm talking about, because that is the best song that I think he's ever written. Like, it is so good. I'm in love with him. Who I'm really in love with, though, is A$AP Rocky, but you'll see that. He's a part of my life. Like, it's inevitable. I'll show you in a second. You're about to see how disgusting my room is. It's trash right now. Yeah, so I just kind of bronze all over you. Let me show you. There he is. I wanted to be able to look at him as I got ready every day. Also, oh no. Here's my room right now. So remember what I was saying before about how I'm trying to be real? Yeah, I don't make my bed every day. And I don't actually clean up my clothes. Okay. After the blush, nope. After the bronzer, then I put on blush. And I basically just swirl my brush around in here because it's like a pink palette, and so you can just put it on like that. Don't worry.
I'm just kidding.
I'm gonna use a NARS blush in Seduction. So I'm just gonna put on a little blush. Actually, not that little, because I really love blush. And I think it's so cute when people have rosy cheeks. If I'm going out somewhere, I'll put on highlighter, but I'm not today. I have this really natural looking highlighter, the Essence Pure Nude. It's amazing. I love this stuff, even more than the Becca highlight. I have the Becca highlight, and I've maybe used it once. It's a waste of money. In my opinion, it was a waste of my money. Let me rephrase that. So, yeah, maybe I'll do a video of, like, going out makeup, but I'm not going out, clearly. So, now I'm just going to set that with my rose water. The e.l.f. setting spray is amazing, but I need to get a new one, so I'm just going to use rose water in the meantime. Alright, now I'm just going to do my eyebrows. I basically just, like, brush up right there. And then there. Just the whole eyebrow. And then I leave it like that. I like to just do one like that because I feel like it just adds, like, dimension and, like, you don't want to look basic, so. Alright. Basically, I just brush up the front and then brush down the rest of it. And then I fill it in with my Anastasia Brow Wiz. So brief little story time while I get ready. I don't know if you guys can see this, because like I said before, my camera kind of sucks. But I've got like this texture thing on my nose, like it's really bumpy around here, and it didn't used to be like that. But I went on spring break with my friends last year, and I got sun poisoning. And I mean sun poisoning. I'm gonna put in a picture right now so that you can see the little series of unfortunate events that unfolded, because it was disgusting. My face was peeling off of my skull. It was gross and it hurt, and people stared at me. because I looked scary. Like, little kids literally pointed at me. It was terrible. So, wear your sunscreen. If you think that you're gonna get tan by not wearing sunscreen, you're not. And like, someone took a razor to your face and just shaved your skin off of your head. So, just wear your sunscreen because it's really not worth it. And you'll still get tan, you just won't get burnt or skin cancer. So, I'd recommend doing that. But anyway, that's not the point of this story. The point of it is that I have literally the texture of my face, like my skin changed. My skin got oilier. This texture thing on my nose started. Cause I literally had to peel all of my old skin off. Wow, this is disgusting. I'm sorry. I literally had to peel all of my old skin off of my face, the burnt, nasty, dried out stuff, so that I could like let it heal. Probably wasn't the best thing to do, but sometimes I don't think before I do things. And so I did that. And then I had like just raw skin on my face. I probably should have put like Band-Aids and Neosporin all over me, but I didn't. I didn't take care of it well. And so I don't even know how to explain it. It's just like my skin just completely transformed into like a whole new skin. So it's weird though, because my skin got a lot clearer, except for around my nose area. Like my forehead acne cleared up, my chin acne. I didn't really have like terrible acne before, but there was a little while where I went through some pretty bad skin stuff. Or for me, like I just didn't feel comfortable in my skin. And so, yeah, this is gonna be a really long video because my story times. Now I'm gonna take from my Too Faced, Just Peachy Mattes palette. I love this. It's really cute packaging too. I'm just gonna take this little light pink color right here. And I don't really want to wear that much eyeshadow today. I don't really wear that much unless I'm like dressing nicely for school or an event or something. Or if I just feel like wearing more eyeshadow, but most of the time I don't, because most of the time I don't even wear makeup. I'm gonna take Fresh Picked right here. Just a little bit of that in the outer corner. I need to work on my posture. I really slouch. Oh, I also just want to stop and take a minute to tell you some exciting news. I'm going to Bonnaroo. Okay, I'm so excited. I really can't even talk about it because every single time I think about the fact that I'm actually going, I'm sorry, you can't even see what I'm doing. Wow. This is just a video and a half, isn't it? What am I doing? you can't see me when I do that. Ew, you just saw my nails. I'm really sorry. Just for the last thing, I'm just gonna put on some mascara. I don't even really feel like curling my eyelashes because they've just been like feeling really dry lately. Like I still put castor oil on my eyelashes every night, but I don't know, they've just been feeling pretty dry, so I don't want to damage them any further. I don't normally put mascara on my bottom lashes. I might just like do the outer ones just a little bit, but I just don't like the way it looks on me. I don't know. Let's see. Okay, now I'm just gonna touch all that up. Run a thick spoolie through the bottom lashes, and then a thin one to separate out the top lashes. Alright. That's all for my everyday makeup routine. I'm sorry for how much I blab, but I just like talking, so that's how it is. Yeah, so just keep on watching for more videos soon. Bye!